looks like a train station. So I wonder if that was probably the first train station. And there's the water. I knew there was water here. They never blocked off for some reason. Maybe they're cleaning the bottom out or whatever. But yeah, may as well do it now while I'm here. The apartment blocks they built here, they must have built it up on the old platforms. So you have this kind of dock area, and as you can see, you still have the old wenchy things. But this section here, they built the apartment blocks on it. So it's kind of like a mini Venice, where the thing is surrounded by the water on all sides, and then you have a little bridge going over it. So it's pretty unique in Dublin, like a mini Venice Island. And then I think these would be old historic pillars and stuff. They don't look new. And that's Intesa San Paolo. There's up there. You just imagine that probably hasn't been touched in like 100 years. Well, it's been touched, but not used purposely for 100 years. So it looks like they turned that place into a restaurant. A lot of conversions, you know. A lot of conversions done in Ireland. Oh yeah, look at this old castle. It's turned into a restaurant. And another of those, the red line, going down to the point. Looking fairly empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people on that. Now granted, it's a Saturday. This time on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, jammers. Can of sardines. So we're kind of rounding up to where I done one of my other walks. I do too many walks. You know, other YouTubers like, oh yeah, check back on this other video that I did 2 videos ago. And here I am. I done a video probably about 2 months ago, but it's 6 months now since this has been uploaded. And I went along Connolly Station and the train tracks, and then the bus hours and all that. So we're going to cross over here, and we didn't really do this section of it, so we're going to do this one. And I don't want to say like that, I have the whole of Dublin mapped out and not crisscross like, but it's been too soon. I'll go over another part at some other stage. So this is the IFSC house. Some dude just came along, said, I own all this land. No particular reason, probably knew the Taoiseach at the time. He said, yeah, go for it. You know. And then, boom. The man's a millionaire, kickbacks to the Taoiseach. And nothing happens. But hey, I did not employ her, I confirmed that information. So I don't know if there's a walkway through. This guy came from here and I don't think he's going to work, so I might be able to walk through. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, well we're going this way anyway. We're going left. But summertime, this is beautiful. You know, I have to be careful. I don't think I'm allowed to photograph this area. They never said that about video, so that's a different thing altogether. Okay, I should be able to walk down this way. This is kind of like the starting point of the IFSC. And it's all the way down where you're seeing. Like, there's cool, interesting building. Like, there's not much history except for the epic Irish Immigration Museum. Okay, so I just corrected myself there right away. Then there's a church over that way, and then there's the Ferryman pub. So there's a bit of history actually going this way. So maybe he didn't know. Maybe he didn't know. Maybe he didn't want to come down.